the top 5 best air fryer recommendation. Recommendation number 1. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-quart 6-in-1 Air Fryer. Instant Brands has moved beyond the famous rice cooker in leaps and bounds, and its air fryers are truly formidable in the kitchen appliance game. Rivaled only by Ninja for accessible, top-performing tools at an affordable price, Instant has our most current best air fryer pick in the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart. It hits the sweet spot of ideal, but not oversized capacity, with a wider square-shaped basket accommodating fries and wings without overcrowding. It has just the right number of presets for a useful but manageable user experience. Recommendation number 2. Cosori Pro LE 5-quart Air Fryer. For something that looks nice and fits neatly on the countertop, this 5-quart Cosori air fryer is the best budget air fryer pick. It gave excellent results for performance at a lower price than any 4 to 6-quart models we tested. We found it surprisingly roomy for a 5-quart, which is a pleasant surprise for any air fryer basket. It has a preheat cycle, which can make it more efficient at quickly crisping foods. The fries, wings, and shrimp fared well. It has a bright, easy-to-use display and comes clean with no extra effort. The temperature and time are also easily adjustable down to the minute. Recommendation number 3. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. For families who are serious about investing in a multi-use tool that can handle dozens of functions and be on permanent display on the countertop, the Breville is the best choice. Though the brand name precedes it for premium kitchen tools, this smart oven still impressed us amongst the tight competition in the toaster oven category overall. It'll take on complicated convection needs like chicken wings or French fries just as easily as simple tasks like toast. We also love a viewing window, which many basket-style air fryers lack. So check on Dunnes and watch an intelligent machine go to work for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Recommendation number 4. Cosori VSync Pro 2 Smart Air Fryer. The new and improved Cosori 5.8-quart air fryer now has a smart app and the original bells and whistles. If you're a tech-savvy cook and love a gadget, this air fryer produced excellent results for both fries and Brussels sprouts and can even work with Alexa or Google Assistant to stop and start programs. It'll give cooking status notifications to your smartphone so you know exactly how things are progressing, and the dishwasher-safe parts are easy to clean regardless. We found that the performance of this air fryer is well above similar competitors, so the smart functions just sweeten the deal. Recommendation number 5. Ninja 4-quart Air Fryer. This Ninja air fryer is not only the best small air fryer, but also performed better in our tests than larger air fryers with more presets across the board. Ninja's 4-quart tool came through swinging for the fences, with near-perfect cooking results on garlic, wings, shrimp, biscuits, and of course, fries. It's perfectly non-stick for cleanup, quiet while running, and, thanks to the compact footprint, it's easy to store. Though the settings are simpler than some advanced models, it does the trick for every classic air fryer function. Beginners and advanced cooks alike will appreciate this Ninja air fryer,